What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Hope you're having a great day. Well, guys, we are moving on to step 3 in our renovation project. And just a reminder, if you are new to the channel or just stumbled across this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a like. We are doing a lawn renovation series, DIY style, right? No professional equipment, no heavy artillery. We are on to step 3. So if you missed step 1 and 2, make sure you go back and check that out so you can get up to speed. And just as a reminder, we are following my renovation guide. So I'll leave a link down below where you can check that out, or just continue to follow the video series here step by step. But the guide just tells you step by step what you need to know to just basically complete this, and that's what we're following here. Without further ado, let's get the camera turned around and show you guys what we're looking at, because it's time to move on to step 3.
Always electrify me. Yeah, you really keep me up all night.
So it has been exactly 6 days since we last applied our glyphosate, and we're looking down here in the turf. If you remember step 2, we still had some green down in here in the canopy, and it is all but gone. So as we kind of pan across everything, I'm not seeing any green anywhere left, which is exactly what we want, because we want to completely eliminate this grass type from our lawn so that it completely matches everything else. Again, I told you guys we are not using any professional equipment. Now we have a problem. If you look at the turf on fine fescue, what we have is we don't have a really good seed bed. All right, so at this point we've scalped down to about an inch, inch and a half, and we're not able to see the bare ground here. So step 3 in this process is we need to prepare the ground for seed. I just checked the 10-day forecast, and it is go time for putting down grass seed, because step 4, you guessed it, is applying grass seeds. Let's go break out some equipment and let's prepare to get this ground ready for some grass seed. Let's go. All right, guys, so our tool for destruction today is going to be our Echo SRM 225. If I had a scarifier or a dethatcher, ideally that's what we would use, but I don't have one, so this is the best we got. So like in step 2, I'm just going to use this string trimmer, and we're just going to try to remove as much grass and try to get down as close to the bare soil as we can. We don't necessarily have to get it all the way down to the dirt, and you'll see that whenever we're doing this. Matter of fact, I'd actually like to leave a little bit of the grass still left, just because that'll help in case we get any rain. It helps with the erosion. So we're going to leave a little bit there. It's going to create a lot of debris, so that's why I've got these boots to help keep the grass off my legs. And then obviously make sure you wear safety glasses, because there is going to be a lot of debris that comes off when that blade is splinting. So, and then the last thing is, once we it'll make a mess, obviously. So then we're going to break out the rake. We'll rake all the debris up, and I'll show you guys kind of what we're looking for so that we can get good seed to soil contact. At the end of the day, this is what we're after. But when we get done with this project, you'll be able to see we'll have good seed to soil contact. We'll be ready for seed. So let's go get busy and stop talking. Let's go. All right, so this is what I would call my first pass. So now I'm gonna go grab a rake. We'll kind of gather up debris, see if we need to keep going. Obviously it's scattering stuff everywhere, so I can't really tell where I need to go back. So let's go get a rake and let's rake up some of this debris and check out where we are. show you kind of what we're looking at here. Wasn't bad, not a bad first pass, but you can see we've got, this is exactly what we're looking for, right? So we've got a little bit of, you know, we can see a little bit of dirt, still some grass, not worried about that. But what we don't want, what we got to avoid is this right here. See, so I completely missed over here in this spot. So I'm gonna grab the weed eater and we'll keep going. But with all that debris, I couldn't really see it. So, but you can imagine, you know, a grass seed that lands on top of this grass, this is not seed to soil contact. So I gotta be able to rip all this up, you know, to get down to the dirt so that it looks like this. I'm gonna set back up and we'll keep going. Oops. So guys, that wraps up step 3. All right, so I'm feeling really good about it. I feel like the ground is ready for some seed, so make sure you stick around till step 4. Take your time with this. This step is crucial because if you don't get good seed to soil contact, if you don't prepare the bed, you know, for seeding, then you're gonna be completely wasting your time. Whew, I'm hot, I'm tired. I'm gonna go in, get some supper. I'll see you guys in the next one for step 4 when we'll be throwing down some grass seed. Guys, it's almost time. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY lawn coach. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.